Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. I'm Richard Hooper. Eutelsat has announced that its satellites will be the core component of the broadcast infrastructure mobilised to deliver live worldwide coverage of the canonisation ceremony on April 27 of Pope John XXIII and John Paul II. Vatican Television Centre, the broadcasting arm of the Holy See, has selected to use capacity on 9 Eutelsat satellites in order to offer broadcasters the opportunity to cover this historic event, presided over by Pope Francis direct from St Peter's Square in Rome. The high-definition broadcast by SatTV in DVB-S2 MPEG-4 will be uplinked by Globecast direct from St Peter's Square to the Eutelsat 5 West A satellite. In order to ensure global distribution, Eutelsat will coordinate immediate redistribution across 9 satellites. Airbus Defence and Space has launched Exchange version 3, the latest evolution of its Exchange communications platform, which is set to further improve the flow of operational data between ship and shore through sophisticated voice and connectivity service management. Exchange is an all-in-one solution to manage communication services in an easy and intuitive way. It gives more control with less operational overhead while on board, and administrative tasks can also be outsourced to onshore offices. It is fully integrated with Airbus Defence and Space's leading Farastar services, and version 3 makes VSAT voice and data management even more intuitive. Improved features include an ability to flexibly prioritise traffic in order to give corporate traffic priority over crew traffic, thereby securing delivery of critical data. ETL Systems is to unveil the first in an exciting new range of RF over fibre products called Stingray to the NAB show audience on April 5. A growing number of satellite teleports require reliable short-distance fibre links, and ETL is developing a new fibre range to offer the highest level of redundancy whilst maintaining the best quality of signals for seamless broadcasts. The first in the range, which will be shown off at ETL stand SU5625, is a high-density 1U rack mountable chassis housing up to 16 hot swap transmit and receive RF over fibre modules, and is designed to be used for short-distance links between satellite dishes and the teleport. Now here is Tricia with news of the delay with Eutelsat 3B.
Thank you, Richard. Yes, the launch of Eutelsat 3B has been delayed. During the final dry rollout phase of integrated launch vehicle processing at Homeport in support of the Eutelsat 3B mission, a discrepancy in the nominal movement of the cable mast and the Zenit 2S LV lateral plate occurred while installing the ILV onto the launch pad. This caused mechanical damage to the lateral plate housing located on the interstage truss of the LV. This has resulted in a delay to the planned April 15, 2014 launch date. A decision was made to demate the payload unit and block DMSL on board the Sea Launch Commander to resolve the issue, establish the root cause and perform additional checks of the interface between the launch vehicle and ground support equipment connectors. Once the above tasks have been completed, Sea Launch will announce an updated schedule and launch day.
And finally, here is Emily with news of Japan Airlines in-flight Wi-Fi expansion.
Yes, Richard. Japan Airlines has selected Panasonic Avionics for a major expansion of in-flight Wi-Fi for its international fleet, which includes Boeing 787s, Boeing 777-200ERs and Boeing 767-300ERs. The commitment comes after its successful introduction of Panasonic's broadband Wi-Fi service on 13 of Japan Airlines 777s that have been flying international routes since July 2012. The carrier has become one of the first airlines to offer internet access, email services, and more on flights between Japan and Europe and across the Pacific to North America. Panasonic's in-flight connectivity service helps create a connected experience in air that is similar to what travellers experience each day on the ground. It provides two-way broadband communications to an aircraft and supports internet access, email, social network access, and other crew and passenger applications.